Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you one of our family favorite no-bake cookies. These are so good, they're so easy to make, no oven required. So I start out by putting 2 cups of sugar into the pan. And then I just need a 1/4 cup of cocoa. And then a 1/2 cup of milk. And then you need a 1/2 stick of butter. It melts quicker if you cut it, so I'm just going to cut it into pieces and add it to the pan. Then you want to give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. I am putting it on medium-high heat. And while I wait for that to start boiling, I'm going to get everything else ready to go. Starting out with the oatmeal, and I need 3 cups of that. And for the peanut butter, I'm going to use chunky peanut butter today. That's all I happen to have on hand. And I need a 1/2 cup of that. I just kind of guess on about a 1/2 cup. You also want to get your pan ready. I have a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and that way I'll have a place to put the cookies as soon as they are done. The secret to this is just make sure you boil it for 1 minute. You want to not start your timing until it's in a full boil, and then start a 1-minute timer. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And that is looking pretty good. Just about like that, and then you want to start the timer right here. So in 60 seconds, this will be ready to add everything else into it. You also want to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. As soon as this is done, that'll be the first thing I do. I'll put the vanilla in, and then I'll add the oatmeal and peanut butter. Mix it all up and drop them onto that pan. These are so good and so easy to make. I hope you give it a try. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put 2 of my other videos up if you'd like to click on them. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.